So I'll just take a look at the eBay website here for a minute and compare it to Amazon. Uh, One of the main differences between Amazon and eBay is that with Amazon, every product is typically offered new, and it has a trademark, or it's an official product that's been registered with the trademark system, and it's also assigned an Amazon product number that's called an ASIN number. Whereas on eBay, you can sell almost anything. It doesn't have to have a trademark number. You can even sell live plants and those kind of things. And so eBay is more of a secondhand website, a deal finding website. People come to eBay to find products at lower prices that may not be new, but they could be new. Um, may have been refurbished or um, have a pre-owner. And one of the biggest features of eBay is their eBay Motors, and I'm pretty sure that Amazon doesn't have something like this where you can buy used cars or you can sell used cars. And of course, all the parts are for sale on eBay Motors as well. But just take a look at the home page. It does tend to track, if you've gone through the site and searched for some products before, it tends to track what you've looked at before, and then it'll present that to you on the home page. So I've looked at some audio equipment before, some home items. Right? It'll tend to remember those and customize the home page to your account and what your interests are. So once again, if we go in here and let's just do the same search for a toaster as we did on the Amazon site and just see what pops up. No pun intended. We have, uh, see what kind of information I can find off this first listing here. If you notice, we had just over 700 listings on Amazon. There's probably more to it than that if I type in some different keywords. But on eBay here, we have 7297, over 7,000 listings for toaster. And if we go in here and just look at one of the products, just notice right at the top, it'll tell you whether or not the product is new or used. It'll give you a condition, and if it's used or refurbished or whatever, there'll be a paragraph under this that will allow the seller to put in the actual condition of that particular unit. Let's see if I can find one that's here's one that's open box, and you see you get this little paragraph here that tells you what's going on with that. If it has any defects, scratches, might give you a little bit of an indication of where it came from before, so you can the buyer can have some idea of what they're actually getting. And then in the photographs here, this one's not showing actual photographs, it's showing stock photographs of this particular item. All right, so you get some more information here. It shows you how many have been sold, how many, what percentage has been sold. And also, you can have in the listing, you can have variations, and you can customize that. If you're creating a listing on eBay, you can create any kind of variations that you want. But this one, they have different colors of the same items, right? And they have pictures of that color that will in the picture box. It'll change as you're selecting. different things. All right, so with Amazon, the buy box is on the right side. With eBay, the buy box is right in the middle. And so with Amazon, you can have multiple sellers for a single item, but with eBay, even though you might have the same item as other sellers, you're going to create an individual listing for the product that you have to sell. And if you want, you can take most of the information off of the other products that are already listed on eBay and put those on yours. But it's good to customize it and use your own words to describe the product. All right, so over here you can visit this seller's store and see what kind of other items they're selling. You've got the feedback, right? So you can look at complaints and you can look at the good feedback for that particular seller. Right? And then this is the description area. It's basically in this item description area, it's basically an HTML box. So you can, if you know how to create a web page using HTML markup, how to add pictures and descriptions and so forth, you can just use an HTML editor outside program, create your description, and then copy it into your eBay listing. All right. So one of the other things I wanted to show you about eBay is if you're an eBay pro seller and you wanted to get sales data on a particular item, they have this add-on tool that's called um, TerraPeak. And with TerraPeak, let me see if I can pull that up. It gives you all the sales statistics for every item that's listed on eBay. And not only that, it gives you sales data for each category of items listed on eBay. So